Ice fishing.
Ice fishing, that's right.
Buttons.
Yeah, there's little buttons. You want to take off your mittens?
Do you want to show us the hole? Where's the hole?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's right.
Pick it up.
Yep, here, I'll take your mittens. Oh, be careful. You gotta keep the lure down there. I know, it's a dial. You wanna push the button?
Yeah.
Yeah, this one. Oh, look, there's a fishy. Oh, look, he's got one. He's got one. Look, there's a fishy. Yeah, you caught a fishy. You want to feel it pull? Yeah, he's flopping. You want to feel it pull? He's going to try to swim away. You feel it? Look at him. He's pulling on the fishing rod. Doink, doink. See? Doink, doink. You want to see him again?
Yeah.
Okay. You can see him right down in the hole. I'll reel him in. Whoa, there he is. You want to reel him? Yep. Good job. Yeah. Here's how we reel him. Hold it like this. That's right. That's right. Good job. Good job. You got it. You got it. You want to go back in the hole?
Yeah.
Okay. We can go backwards. There he goes.
Daddy.
You want me to throw him back?
Me.
You want to throw him back? Okay, there's a hook, so I have to hold him first. Oh, wait, not yet. Thank you. Yeah, I'm going to take it out. There we go. You can touch him? He's cold, huh? Back in the hole?
Yeah.
Okay. Bye-bye.
You want to say bye? Tima, do you want to say bye to the fish?
Bye-bye.